Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading Color Our World for July 28, 2025, Part 2. First Steps in Art, Egyptian Figurine, Hide and Seek with Little Hippo, by Geraldine Elschner, illustrated by Anya Klaus. Little Hippo likes to play hide and seek. Hello, butterfly. Count to 3 and look for me. 1. Where to hide? Under the desert sand? Oh no, Little Hippo shines like the sun. I have to find another hiding place. 2. Little Hippo rubs his back against the red bricks of the houses. Yikes, he's way too big to be mistaken for a tomato. 3. Quick! Little Hippo rolls in the leaves. It is perfect. He looks like a little green hill, but Mommy calls him. Come on, Little Hippo, it's bath time. Splash! He dives into the waters of the Nile. I found you, shouts the butterfly. It's my turn to hide. Look carefully, Little Hippo. Little Hippo comes from a distant country, Egypt, the land of pyramids, where the pharaohs lived a long, long time ago. At that time, hippos were wading in the waters of the Nile, the great river that waters the plain. They are dangerous animals, so people were afraid of them and avoided them. Potters made small figurines that looked like them in clay and painted them blue, the color of the water in which the large pachyderms spend most of their time. On their backs, they drew the plants that grew nearby and butterflies or birds, too. In addition, they would put beautiful lotus flower on their big round backside, which really suits them. It's suggested that all of these elements held special meanings to the ancient Egyptians who placed these figurines in the tombs of their deceased. You can admire Little Hippo at the Louvre Museum and visit his older brothers in the other museums around the world, including William, who lives in the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City. The end. We're going to make a heart hippo. It's just a hippo made out of mostly hearts. Craft to Go kit includes some googly eyes, big heart for the head, a smaller, this oval for where the nose goes. You have 2 hearts to make the nostrils. And you've got a heart in a circle to make the ears, which you'll tuck behind the top of the heart, like that. And you put your 2 teeth coming out from under the nose. And there's 2 extra circles for eyes. I'm just going to put them there so they have an outline. But you'll put your googly eyes over there unless you want to draw your own eyes. So if you need help, just refer to the picture right up here in the Craft to Go kit, the instruction sheet. And the first thing we're going to do is color all the parts. And I'm going to leave my teeth white. I'm going to color my hippo blue, like in the story. And I'm going to go ahead and give my hippo pink ear holes and pink nostrils. So 2 pink hearts. Or 4 pink hearts. 2 pink for the nostrils, 2 pink for the ear holes. But everything else is going to be blue. This is actually blue-green. A little bit lighter than regular blue. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to color all my parts. Oh, I forgot to tell you what you need. You need crayons or markers or coloring pencils, whatever you want to make it colorful, and you'll need some liquid glue because of the googly eyes. Now, if you decide not to use the googly eyes, you want to save those for another project and just use the circles that came with it, you can use a glue stick. But if you're going to use the googly eyes, you really need to use the liquid glue. So I'm going to finish coloring all this, and we'll come back and we'll glue it all together. Okay, everything's colored. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue my teeth underneath the nose. Just going to put 2 little lines there. 1 tooth there. 1 tooth there. And I'm going to glue this onto the bottom of the heart. Try not to put too much glue because you don't want it to squish out. Then I'm going to glue my nostrils on. Right above the teeth. And I'm going to glue where the eyes go on. That's the smaller circle. But I am going to use the googly eyes, so you probably won't see the blue circles. You might see the outline a bit. I'm going to glue my hearts onto my ears, down at the lower part, so that it's totally on. Just make a little V with the glue. And I'm going to glue the ears onto the backs. I'll put a dot of glue on each. Now I put too much glue, so I'm going to wipe a little bit off. It's good to have some paper towels or something nearby. I only have my tissues. This is gushing out too. Okay. And last but not least, I'm going to put on my googly eyes. Right in the center of the little circles. And again, if you wanted to draw your own eyes, you don't have to use the googly eyes. But I think everything looks better with googly eyes. That's just me. And that's all there is to it. There's your heart hippo. See how it, you take hearts and circles and turn in an oval and turn it into a hippopotamus.